Okay guys, we're here back at the channel with a review of the Glock 35. The gun's so good I had to get two of them. That's right. Nice guns. So, safety check. Nothing in them, all empty. Checked them before. All safety check. Nobody's gonna get shot today on accident. So, pick these up as law enforcement trade-ins. So they are used guns. I have done some things to them. Did the grip reduction here, some stippling, some stainless steel pins, trigger work, springs. Converted them both to third gen style guide rods. These are solid stainless steel. They're not polymer or dual recoil spring assemblies. So these have been modified. They're not 100% factory. So this gun, extra long slide, basically a big Glock 22, which is their 4.49 inch barrel. This is a 5.3 inch barrel, so about 3/4 of an inch longer. And they market this as their competition guns, full size law enforcement, SWAT team gun. And for good reason. This extra long sight radius compared to the 22 is good to have to make the further shots. So there goes that. It does shoot pretty smoothly, does shoot accurately at distance, and they do have a slightly better trigger pull from the factory. So I've heard in some of the marketing of this gun. So Glock 35, good choice. 5.3 barrel, extra long sight radius, improved trigger from the factory compared to most other Glocks, so I've heard. It's a myth. I've heard 15 round magazines. That's right, 15 plus 1 firepower. You could also amp that up the ante to 22 rounds. So the whole 23, lightweight, about 35 ounces, roughly, something like that. I think it was something more like 36 fully loaded, which is pretty good. And it is a big gun, and it is a full-size gun. And it is about the size of a 5-inch government 1911. You want to get that there for to compare the size of a full-length gun to another one. So a lot less weight than this steel frame 10mm 1911, which I absolutely adore. But about the size of a 1911, high firepower, a lot of rounds, lightweight, long sight radius. It's a Glock, it works. Feels good in the hand with the stipple job and the little grip reduction that I love to do. Glock 35.